Are you thinking about moving to Folsom, California? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you all around some different communities and neighborhoods in Folsom, California, so you can get a feel for the city, feel for the vibe of what it has to offer, and maybe, hopefully, see some communities you might like to live in. And if you stay around to the end, I will share with you a multi-generational Folsom family tradition. Let's go. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Folsom, California, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be notified the next time we upload a video about Folsom, California. Hello, my name is Johnny. I'm with Living in Sacramento, and we are the Sacramento region's most Google-reviewed real estate team. So we get calls every day from people like you and you and you and you and you looking to make their move to the Sacramento region, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to the Sacramento region and Folsom, California. Today we are in Folsom, California. Now Folsom, you may have heard of it because of the Johnny Cash song Folsom Prison Blues, but Folsom Prison is so much more, Folsom is so much more than a prison town. They have some of the best school districts in the country, not only in the state, but in the country. It's incredibly safe. The job market here is insanely hot, very, very beneficial to people who live here. It's one of the best places in California to get a job. And it's a super active community. So you have Lake Natoma, where you can do paddle boards and kayaking, no motorized vehicles, no motorized boats allowed on Lake Natoma. You have the Folsom Trails, where you can bike, walk, run. There's trails that run all the way from the lake, like Folsom Lake, all the way down to Sacramento. Oh, and then of course you have Folsom Lake as well for more activities. So that's a little bit about the community. Let's show you around some of the neighborhoods. Right now we are in Empire Ranch. When people think Folsom, they often think Empire Ranch just because it's so big and it's so nice. So when I say big, it's over 1,700 acres of a master planned community. When I say so nice, you can see behind me, it's very clean, it's very well maintained. I'll take you through some neighborhoods so you can see some more of it. But you're close to shopping, there's great schools, you're close to the highway access, which is 50 here, so you're close to 50. And there's a lot of different communities within Empire Ranch. So there's gated and non-gated. Right now we are in a gated part of Empire Ranch, but we'll go ahead and take you all around so you can see some other parts of Empire Ranch as well. And the average price, just in case you're curious, is $800,000. So on average, you're looking at, give or take, an $800,000 price tag right now. So let's show you around Empire Ranch. For our next community, I wanted to take you to Broadstone here in Folsom. I'm actually standing outside of a park, and just over there are some of the Broadstone homes. And what's great about Broadstone is it was master planned and it was built by one of the most respected builders in our region, by Elliott Homes. So the homes are well built, they're well constructed. This neighborhood is known for being more quiet and more established homes. And you are close to shopping, you're close to great schools, you're close to everything typically you get in most parts of Folsom. And the average price here, on average, you're looking to pay about $640,000. Let's check out Broadstone. Here we are in historic Old Town Folsom. This neighborhood is really close to the action on Stutter Street. So close in fact that over here there's a sign that says there's no parking on the street between the hours of 6 p.m. and midnight on Fridays and Saturdays. You're also close to the American River, which means kayaking, paddle boarding, bike trails, running trails, all the stuff that takes place on American River. So it's a really fun place to live. The homes here are smaller, they are older, because it's historical old town Folsom. The town's been around for a long time, so you're gonna have to plan for that, expect that, but they are cute, they are filled with charm, and it's hard to put an average price on these neighborhoods because just the homes are so different, so unique. But on average, you're going to plan on budgeting somewhere around $550,000 for a single family home or more. Let's show you around the neighborhood. Here we are in American River Canyon. This is an older neighborhood. It's more established. A lot of older people live here, many retirees, and it's close to Folsom Lake. It's close into the Folsom Auburn Road, which is that main artery that cuts in between 50 and 80. You're also close to Stutter Street, close to shopping, you're close to great restaurants. It's a really fun place to live. And the average price here, you're looking on average somewhere around $700,000, $750,000. The king goes low as the sixes and as high as $1 million plus. So let's take you around American River Canyon. I promised I would show you a multi-generational Folsom family tradition, and right behind me is the Folsom Rodeo grounds. So every year since 1960, on 4th of July weekend, there's a pro rodeo that takes place. It might not look like much right now, but this place becomes unrecognizable on the 4th. It's just packed out for cars. It takes you 15 minutes just to walk in, and there's booths, there's vendors, there's the rodeo, there's mutton busting. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's the most adorable thing you'll probably ever see. And anyways, it's a good time. So here's in Folsom, pro rodeo since 1960. And like I said, it's on the 4th of July weekend, which means there's an incredible fireworks show. Well, that wraps up this video. I hope you had or received some value out of it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you can be notified the next time we upload a video about Folsom. And remember, the Living in Sacramento team is the most Google reviewed team in the Sacramento region. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. You can even schedule an appointment with us via Zoom so we can meet you in person and help you make a smooth move to Folsom, California or the Sacramento region. Take care and bye for now.